All these images are flyer created with AI, and it's actually shocking that most of the clients I've worked with didn't find out I use AI to generate their flyer for them. They really love it and they give me good feedback. So, as a 3 years experienced graphic designer and a college student, I've been working with clients making business flyer for students and many more. But literally, sometimes I get a lot of work on me, so I actually have to apply certain method, which is I use AI to do some of the work for myself. Actually, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use AI to do the same for yourself without anybody noticing. And it's really simple, fast, and convenient. It's actually simple. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, so we first have to get a reference image. So try to get a reference image. You can really choose going for Pinterest or any other website that has a lot of markup like images that we can literally use for our, let's say, reference image. So here I'll go to Pinterest. So I'll go to Pinterest and then okay, so here I have a lot of images here. So let's say this image is very nice. This file is very nice. It says African Max, are you African, Caribbean, Indian, shop your local grocery with ease. And here you can really see it has a lot of works on it, like text and a lot of things on it. But okay, let me try. I don't like this image. You can really go with this image. Okay, this is very nice. Let me download it. It's jollof rice. So here all I have to do is I just have to save the image, download the image, and then when I get the image downloaded, the rest is very simple. This is the easiest part of it. So here we go to Gemini AI. So Gemini, and then we go to Google Gemini. So here, if you're using the free method, if you're using the paid version, sorry, it's actually the same thing. Here, all you have to do is change here the tools. You're going to change it to create image, and as you can see, we are just going to upload our image, which is very simple. So here, I upload the image, and then here we are going to tell AI to do some stuff. Here, this is not a prompt you need to memorize or you need to just copy or learn anything. It's just simple thing. Let's say you just get your flyer, and this is what you don't want or don't like about the flyer. You can literally just enter some prompt and then tell it to change. Let's say change the name to JK Tech. JK Tech. Sorry. JK Tech food. And I think okay, so let's start with this first. And also and then change the food to, let's say, shawarma. I really love shawarma. So I don't know whether this parents are correct or something. I think here we have to change this. However, we just have to give it a system prompt. It's actually going to understand it. And yeah, everything on the flyer you can literally change it. You can literally tell Gemini to change it. But one thing is, after getting your flyer done, you are going to get a logo. I mean, Gemini logo below it. So we are also going to remove it, and actually you just send it to your client so that client notice. So here, this is it. All right, this is it. Wow. Okay. So I was expecting this. This is very nice. Okay. So you can literally see you have JK Tech food here. Very nice. And you see here it has already changed the logo. You see JK Tech food. See how it has made the logo. And it is really nice. And you can see the shawarma and the food is changed. And then you even see, like, this is crazy. And also, okay, so here we have to let it change the number and then the Instagram and name. So here, okay, change the number and the Instagram and go to JK Tech food. Number 2. Okay, so here I'm going to give it this number, random number though. Alright, I think this is it. I don't know which number you would like. It's a random number from my head actually. So let's see how it's going to make it. And let's say the background too, we will try to change the background and let's see how it's going to be like. Literally, we are just going to modify everything. And see here, everything. Okay, so when you read from here, you see discover. Okay, let me. You can't open. Okay, let me. Okay, say here it says discover the vibrant taste of Nigeria with your native kitchen, where each dish tells a story and nourishes the soul. Okay, so let's go back and then okay, Okay. So here, let's open this and see. Discover the vibrant taste of Nigeria with the catered food. I didn't even ask it to change, but you see, it has already understand it. And then, okay, so here is the updated version of what you want. It literally make the work very easier. So, okay, this is very nice. We can just continue with this and everything look premium. But what I want it to do is I want to change the whole background. So, change the background color to, let's say, red. Okay, let's see. I want to change the background color black to something red and see how it's going to be like. I think it's very going to be very interesting. I don't know, you can literally stop here, but everything is like the tech food. The tech underscore food. And here, the logo is here. This is the thing that we are going to make a change to after getting what our desired flyer to be. So let's wait and then. Yeah, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are missing a lot, guys. I really upload more videos like this on my channel, and I keep you guys updated every single time. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Oh my god! So this time, I think nobody will find out that we use maybe reference image like this to make what we want. At this point, everything is nice. I mean, we got what we want. So here, let's download this image. You can you can just test and then tell it to change it to any color you want. I mean, any color of your choice, anything. Just tell it to, change everything. And it's really nice how you can really. And one thing is, you can also start up making your whole flyer without giving it a reference image. But the point is, then you need to learn about how to give a better prompt. That's where maybe you might apply ChatGPT or different AI, or even use Gemini only. But at that moment, I think it's sometimes struggle with something about Gemini is really good, and the updated version is really good. If you have the pro version, you are good to go. So yeah, we just save it. But one thing is, we are going to use another website to clean this watermark, and sometimes we face challenges. Then if maybe you keep on facing challenges, mostly I use maybe Photoshop, or if you have Canva, you can actually use. I don't know, but I don't know more about Canva. I just use Photoshop to do this stuff. So yeah, let's try to use. So here, search for watermark remover. See, then I think this is the one that mostly use to do that. And then uploading it here, it says 2 credits. So okay, let's see. But mostly a flyer with more text on it, sometimes they struggle because they sometimes see the text as what do you call a watermark. So yeah, let's see how it's going to be right now. It's processing, and maybe it will take a while to do. Alright, within a minute to got it. Oh my god, this one didn't receive any bad results. See, the result is really good. Look here, you see. Alright, but I think you see it just removed all about our tradition. You can literally see you move it here, all about our tradition here. You remove it, but it's not bad though. Literally, if you don't have an option, you can really go with this. But for me, if it happens to be really bad, sometimes the text will be just going up and down. I'll just go to Photoshop and then continue from there. But this is also good. You can really start go on with this, and then here you save it, and let's see our output. I mean, how the outputs have been. So here we have our dedicated food shawarma, which are match in flavor and impact, and everything look great. I didn't see any glitch here. Maybe, but I didn't have any glitch here. And so let's go. I think yeah, this is how it was, and now we have it like this. I think it's very nice though. It's very nice. This is nice, and also that one is also great. We don't this thing. Let's be real to ourselves. Who is actually going to find out that this image is generated by AI? Nobody. Even I'm not sure that AI will even identify this is being generated by AI. So our next video is going to be how to restore your old photo to the current one using AI. Actually, we are in AI era, so the AI videos are going to be more on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Love you all.